Hi, I'm Meredith Stephens, and I'm a certified anatomy trains instructor. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about our feet. You know, our feet do a lot for us. They accommodate to uneven surfaces, they allow us to walk, run, ride our bike, take us where we need to go. And oftentimes we don't think twice about them unless they hurt. Additionally, when you look at the foot, it is a really complex structure and can be so intimidating to learn about and understand how it functions and how we can help our clients. That's why I'd like to invite you to our Anatomy Trains Arches and Legs course. You will learn a lot about the anatomy of the foot and the lower leg, as well as how the leg and the feet relate to each other in posture and in movement. We'll also spend time discussing what happens to your foot and leg every time you take a step. And of course, we'll do a lot of body reading and techniques to help address what we've assessed in our clients. So I really hope you can join me for one of our Anatomy Trains Arches and Legs workshop. You'll have a great learning experience and really be able to help your clients a lot. Thanks.